All right, let's find the median for a frequency distribution. So up top, I have the values for part A. Here's how you would read this. Frequencies on the bottom. There is 1, 1. There are 3 twos. There are 2 threes. There are 4 fours, 8 fives, and 2 sixes. So what I did is I wrote them all out here so you could see this better. That's what that stands for. Frequency is how many, and the number on top is the actual number you're writing. There are 20. When you add up the frequency, there are 20 total. So if you look at this, I have 20 numbers. Now my median is going to fall right in between 10 on the left, 10 on the right. And remember, when we do this and our median's in the middle, it's an even number. We do the 4 plus the 5 and we divide by 2. And we end up with 4.5 for the median on that example. Now, if you wanted to do kind of a shortcut, you could have said, okay, there's 20. Divide that by 2, it's 10. I know it's between 10 and 11. You can add up on the bottom. I get 4, 5, 6, 10. So I know it's going to be between right here because there's 10 to the left, 10 to the right. And you can do a shortcut that way if you don't want to write them all out. Now let's look at the next one. Okay, this time there's 35 values. There are 5 twos, 8 fours, 10 sixes, 6 eights, 6 tens. I wrote them all out because sometimes you guys understand it better when it's written out. Now half of 35, it's an odd number. Okay, so that helps us out. So I know it's going to be 17 and a half, which means that middle one. If I choose this 6 that I have highlighted here, okay, then I'm going to have 17 to the left, 17 to the right, and my median would be 6. Now, if I didn't want to type them all out, you take 35, you divide it by 2, you get that 17 and a half. So you count here, there's 13, there's 23. Okay, so you know in this case, if there's 13 here, and when I add this, there's going to be 23. 17 and a half is going to fall in the middle of those 6s. And my actual value is going to be 6. And that's just the shortcut, or you can write them out.